What's going on, YouTube? Trucker D back at it again. Well, I never made it home last night. As you remember from the last video, we were sitting at a truck stop over in Tinkanasha, Michigan. I bobtailed it over here last night. Apparently, dispatch wants me to go back and get another, get a trailer that has a bunch of empty baskets to take back to Plymouth. And even though we waited out the weather last night, hoping for better roads today, it still looks like we got another system rolling through that's gonna completely clobber the lower half of Michigan. And I'm supposed to be traveling back and forth on 94 today. So it looks like we're gonna be running into weather like we did last night. Low visibility. Super truckers passing you like it's a hot summer day. And that's what we got to look forward to tonight. You know, it's crazy. Who would have thought that as soon as I got clearance to be a solo driver, I'd be driving in nothing but snow. I'm really definitely getting my winter touches in right now. So, I don't know. Hopefully we'll get some good footage today. Got some daylight driving. I was going through some camera footage last night. And I still got to go through all that and edit it. But it looks like we might get a couple decent night spots. Not many, but there are a couple of places at night that I did get that I'm hoping to show up that were real well lit. Honestly, really not looking forward to driving through this shit again today. I can't wait till February passes and spring starts coming around. But I guess this is the real test if this is what I want to do. And it's not scaring me away yet. It's definitely a big moment of practice. The shitty part is, though, we're probably going to have more traffic on the road today than we did yesterday. The only thing I keep in the back of my mind, though, is all those pileups that happened on the freeway. Yep. Yeah, we're definitely going to be in some snow again. I slept decently last night too. I was able to stay warm. The truck they must have set something where the truck stays idling because it ain't shut off on me since. And even though this truck's got over 1 million miles on it, it's been a decently good truck. Really, still, like I said before, I don't like the auto shifts in this weather. I mean, moments where you're in a spot trying to slow down and the truck will downshift as you brake, and it really feels like the truck is starting to slide. I really don't like that. I'm more of a guy that likes to be in control of my truck. Sucks I'm out of food though. I didn't plan for this, like I said before. I really did not plan for a winter storm. Really didn't plan to get stuck here in it. Tonight, I'm using all my time if I have to, and my extra 2 hours that the DOT allows you to use due to inclement weather. I just hope that before the roads start getting bad, I'll be on my way back from my last run to Coldwater today. Anyway, I'm gonna see about out getting some food over here at this McDonald's. I'm gonna have to walk across the street, and it's like negative 10 degrees outside right now. And I can't move my truck because I still don't have no hours yet. However, though, the TA over here in Tekanasha, see if I can flip this around here. Travel Centers of America. I want to thank the lady that's inside there. This is the TA off M60, exit 25 off 69. I want to thank the lady in there who let me have my coffee today. She seen me standing in line. She's like, "You just want coffee?" I'm like, "Yeah, that's it." She's like, "No, you're good. Don't worry about it." So the lady at the TA truck stop off M60 in Tekanasha, or I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, Tekanasha, Michigan. Thank you again for that coffee. Of course, after spending $73.11 on bedding there last night, it was very much appreciative of free coffee. So, but I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna call this McDonald's over here, see if they'll let me just walk into the lobby and get some food. I think I just seen the door open from over here. And then when I get back over to the truck, I can eat my cold food. Once we get on the road, though, we'll have some good footage today, hopefully, like I said. And wish us luck. We'll probably hopefully see you next time back in Plymouth tonight. someone wants me driving in this shit. I got back here to Plymouth from Coldwater at about 4:45. Mind you, my dispatch was at 2 o'clock today. And I got here at 4:45 and my load still was not ready yet. So I talked to the dispatch or the shipping manager here at the bakery. They pretty much had him rush to get my trailer loaded so I could get going. Here we are. It's snowing like a bitch out. And as I'm leaving, my load's finally ready to go. As I'm leaving, the airline on my trailer pops. So the load not ready, then the airline pops, holds me up even more, which is making my clock tick even more. And here we are. I'm going to be driving in pretty much the same damn conditions I drove in last night. fun, for fun, for fun. But I wanted to be a truck driver, right? And you know what? This whole situation still doesn't deter me from doing it. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to take my time. And if I get back with a little bit of time left on my clock, at least I'll be home. Because honestly, tonight I just want to get home. I'm sick of the snow. It seems like all it's been doing every time I get dispatched out is it snows. So, let's hope. Let's hope it gets better from here. Well, you two, hopefully they'll be out here quickly, have this trailer loaded up so I can get going. Wish me luck. Pray I stay safe and make it to Coldwater and back before tomorrow morning. See ya. Well, here we are. As you can tell, it's snowing like a bitch. I'm telling you, dude, at this rate, I'll be an ice road trucker in 2 years. Well, let's push on. What's up, YouTube? As you can see, I'm not sitting behind the wheel of a truck anymore. Tonight, we are staying in a hotel room. We're at the Quality Inn in Coldwater. We made it this far. We just didn't drop the load off yet. I like to go out there. I have a little balcony outside my room right now. But the lady that's working the front desk doesn't seem to like people recording her. That's her personal preference. So, but yeah, this is my room. We're here at the Quality Inn, and I hope she doesn't think we're causing trouble or we're just making little trucking videos. But yeah, my company's taking care of me, and they want to make sure that their drivers are safe. And this is what we're staying in right now. But we're going to take a little walk and head outside. And we'll see you out there. So this is what's keeping us from moving onward. As you can see, my feet are covered in snow. It's been snowing like this since probably about 6 o'clock tonight. It's roughly probably around midnight. And hoping where I parked at, hoping I'll be able to pull the truck out tomorrow and it don't get stuck in snow. I was really contemplating walking up to Taco Bell because I'm starving right now, and I've only had 2 truck stop hot dogs, 2 cupcakes, and a bag of chips. But yeah, I didn't really dress appropriately for this. I ain't been home in 2 days. Last night I spent the night at a TA truck stop and, oh, how do you pronounce that name again? I keep forgetting it. Tekonsha. Yeah, Tekonsha, Michigan. That's where we stayed at last night. And this is where we're staying at tonight. The old Quality Inn in Coldwater. Roughly about 10 minutes from the drop. There's the old girl right there. Taking that one, dropping her in Coldwater tomorrow morning. Taking 669 back. Grabbing another load. And bringing her back. And then hopefully I can get some time to relax and recruit back at my house. But I'm gonna head back inside because it's really cold out here. And I'm gonna hook my camera up to the computer out here and see if it actually works. There's some videos I need to go through and delete some because we ain't getting no more footage until we make some space. So YouTube, y'all have a good night. That's the end of our day. And we see you next time.